Hello everyone, so my name is Samuel. Welcome to H-QTV. So this Durov pussy for 16th September. So let's go into that. So if you are new to my name is Samuel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and you can also follow me on X and on my Telegram page. The link is going to be under this video description. So the airdrop that I'm farming, the link will also be in this video description. Also can check it out. So let's go into this daily pussy. So the first one will be this one that I'm going to circle red. So this is the one. So I'm going to click on it to select. So the second one will be, it's going to be this one. So this is the second one. I'm going to click on it to select. So the third pussy will be this one. So this is the third pussy. I'm going to click on it to select. So the fourth one will be, that is the last pussy, will be this. So will be this. So I'm going to click on that to select again. So I'm going to click on check to, so I'm going to click on check right now. So I'm going ahead to activate the bonus right now. So see you in my next video. Peace.